Somalia's fragile health system is under severe pressure after the Trump administration announced major aid cuts. These cuts have affected everything from the supply of vaccines to the availability of doctors and medical equipment. At the same time, deadly diseases like measles and diphtheria are spreading fast. In Mogadishu's hospitals, wards are full of diphtheria patients. Doctors warn that this airborne disease, normally preventable through childhood vaccination, can be fatal if untreated. Families are suffering deeply. One mother, displaced by fighting, lost a child to diphtheria and is now struggling to save her other children who are also infected. According to Save the Children, cases of measles and diphtheria doubled between April and July. With U.S. aid cuts, mobile vaccination programs collapsed, and hospitals lack antibiotics and essential medicines. In just 2 months, diphtheria outbreaks have been reported in 50 districts across Somalia. Somalia's health system has long relied on international donors. But with the U.S., its largest donor, cutting aid down to only 19% of last year's levels, many health centers have closed, leaving millions at risk. Experts warn this is not just Somalia's problem. Across sub-Saharan Africa, U.S. aid cuts have disrupted vaccination programs for HIV, malaria, tuberculosis, and other preventable diseases. As a result, illnesses once nearly eradicated, like measles and diphtheria, are re-emerging. Health specialists say the impact is immediate. Children are dying from diseases that could have been prevented with vaccines already available but no longer delivered. Mortality rates among young children can reach up to 10%. Doctors stress that without urgent action, fragile countries like Somalia will continue facing outbreaks. While some experts see this as a chance for African nations to push for self-sufficiency in healthcare, the reality is that most remain heavily dependent on humanitarian aid. For Somalia's youngest citizens, the consequences of these funding cuts are life or death.